Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a blog to your WordPress website. So we're in WordPress and we're at the dashboard, and we're going to go down here and we're going to actually add a page first. So we're going to go to add new, and it's going to bring up a new page. And so you can enter your title. You could do blog. You might do, like, if you're doing how to do different things, then you could say, maybe call it how to, whatever you want to call it. And so you're going to do that, and that's pretty much it. You're going to go ahead and publish that, or you could just save it for draft if you're not ready to publish anything. Let's just save draft. And then we're going to go down here towards the bottom. We're going to go to settings and reading, and click on that. And it's going to bring you up this here. And so you see here it says front page displays. So this is how your page gets displayed. Now you could, if you just wanted your front page of your website, so whenever they went to your URL, they would go to your latest post, and so it would just show up your blog post. You can do that, and if that's the only feature your website is basically a blog, and that's what you want to feature, then that's probably a good idea to have it there. If it's just if it's a website and you want to have a blog be part of that website, then most likely you don't want to do that. You want your front page to be a static page, and so you would click on that, and then your front page, you would pick out which page you want it to be. Usually it's going to be home. If you want to be more creative than that, you can add something different there. And then post page, this is where your blog posts are going to get seen. And so in this case, we would say blog, or I guess we didn't add a how to, but anyhow, I guess if you don't post that, it's going to put it there. But you pick whichever page you want, and then here's some things that you just want to set. You may want to play with this. Each is going to be different. Blog pages show at most. You can say 1 post. You can say 5 posts. Syndication feeds show the most recent, and you could say however many items you want. For each article in a feed, show, and you can either put full text, and so that way when they see your blog post, your blog page, they are going to see each blog post. They're going to see everything of that post. Or you can put summary. The advantage of putting a summary is it's going to be shorter, and they can click on it if they're interested in that actual page. They're going to click on it, which there's a couple of advantages of that. For one, if you're doing analytics, you're watching what pages people are clicking on, then you kind of see what blog posts get read the most. And you see you can do that because they're going to actually have to click on it. Otherwise, they may be able to read the blog post, and you really don't know which one they've actually looked at. So there's some advantages there. Plus, they can see multiple blog posts on the front page without having to actually scroll down, or they don't have to scroll down as far to see a lot of your blog posts. So anyhow, I usually do summary, but that's up to you. Encoding, I really wouldn't worry about that. And so you're going to then save changes, and then once you have done that, we'll go ahead and save changes. And now what you need to do is you actually need to create a post. So you come over here to your left menu and go to posts and add new. It's going to take you here. It's going to look a lot like a web page, but it's actually going to be a post within that page. So you again put your title, put whatever you're going to put. Again, it features is kind of the same. If you want it, if you have a mobile version of your blog, then you would put that here if you're using this mobile LPS to do that. Again, we're going to take that settings off, and again put your SEO options here. And Once you're done, again, you're going to see kind of the same thing. Video URL. If you're doing a video, I guess here under type, if you do video, then you would put the URL for the video there. Most of the time you're probably going to do normal unless you're doing some kind of video or picture blog. Then maybe you would use one of these other options. And that's pretty much it. You can save it to draft. Here's a great timing where you may create your blog post on, you may just sit down on a Saturday morning and create all 3 or 4 blog posts that you're going to have this next week. But you don't want them to show up all at the same time. Maybe do 3 a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you can set the publish time here, and then set one for Monday, the next one for Wednesday, and the final one for Friday, and then hit publish. If you set this, then it's not going to publish until whatever date and time you set. Categories. This is good to probably add categories for what your blog posts are. If you don't really have anything, you may not actually set any kind of categories. And tags. These are things that, if you're kind of wanting to tag what kind of things these are, put in some tags for those. So like if you already got an auto repair shop, maybe you do auto repair, or you do brakes or something along those lines. You could put those kind of tags in there, and that's pretty much it. So that is adding a blog to your website.